If your phone dies faster in the cold, you're not alone. Cold weather affects batteries more than almost anything else. Here's why. Inside your phone is a lithium-ion battery, which works by moving charged particles called ions between two layers. In warm temperatures, these ions move easily through the battery. But in cold weather, the ions slow down, almost like thick syrup that won't flow. When ions move slowly, the battery can't deliver power efficiently. Your phone sees the reduced performance and falsely reads it as low battery. In extreme cold, the battery voltage can fall below the safe limit. When that happens, the phone shuts off to prevent damage, even if the battery had plenty of charge left. Cold also thickens the battery's internal electrolyte, making it even harder for ions to move. This creates a feedback loop. Cold slows ions. Performance drops. Phone shuts down. You may notice your phone recovers when warmed up. That's because ion flow returns to normal. That's why winter battery issues aren't real damage. They're temporary chemistry problems. Still, repeated cold exposure can slightly reduce long-term battery health. To protect your phone, keep it in a pocket, use a case with insulation, or avoid leaving it in your car. Extra tip: fast charging in extreme cold is harder on the battery, so let the phone warm up first. Stick around. We break down everyday tech science just like this every single day.